By the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are well wherever you are with your family. Indian cadets, I hope you all are well and stay fine, stay safe. In the COVID-19 pandemic condition, Boshal Cadet College arranged online class and the class is going on. Beloved cadets, all of you are welcome to today's online class. I am Muhammad Saiful Islam, Lecturer of Chemistry, Boshal Cadet College. Today's class is for class 11, Chemistry first paper, chapter 5, Applied Oriented Chemistry. Beloved cadets, look at the picture and on the basis of this picture, today's session will be going on. The topic of this lecture today, food security, preservatives and food safety mechanism. At the end of this session, beloved cadets, you will be able to describe food security, pillars of food security, explain the increase of food production, realize the problem of food preservation, preservatives and food safety mechanism. Today's discussion on food security, pillars of food security, increase of food production, problem of food preservation, preservatives and food safety mechanism. Then finally, relevant question. Vital key terms of this session today, food security, pillar, production, safety, mechanism and Gillette. Now, Indian cadets, this is the chapter 5 and this is the first session of chapter 5. The first topic of this chapter, food. First one, what is food? What is the function of food? Without food, we can't survive in the universe. So it's very important for us. Beloved cadets, food is any substance, any matter which can supply energy. It must be harmless and digestible. Suppose rice, potato, milk, mango, these are the food. So it is digestible, is very important for us. Also, it must be able to supply energy in our body. So it should be for all, not for specific classes. Food security, food have to secure for all living beings. Someone, it may be rich or someone, it may be poor, but everyone have to right to get proper food. So, it should be secured. This is the food security to access with sufficiency. It should be safe for all, nutritious to maintain an healthy life. For maintaining healthy life, it should be accessible, safe for all, and nutritious. There are three pillars of food security: uses, access, and availability. Role of chemistry to increase food production, long-term food preservation. In these two cases, chemistry has vital role. Pillars on the basis of some foundation. Also, on the basis of some ground food security stand, it is called pillar. There are three pillars of food security. Food should be available in the market. Food must be accessible if its price is bound to buying. So, food should be accessible, not over our ability. Food use have to proper use and sufficient use. So these are the pillars of food security: availability, food access, and food use. Beloved cadets, these are the foods and food security. To increase of food production, so for increasing food production, we should maintain some steps. For bearing flowers and fruits, plant needs essential nutrients components like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. For this reason, for supplying these nutrients elements, different types of fertilizer, urea, ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate, TSP, DAP, and potassium chloride are used. Also, need to proper watering. By this way, we can increase food production. Also, in modern era, organic fertilizer may be used for increasing food production. Different mixed fertilizer also be used. By this way, we can increase the food production. So, beloved cadets, also by using different hormones, different chemicals, different genome activities, we can improve the genus and its quality. But it should be edible and not harmful. So, problem of food preservation. It is very difficult to preserve food for a long time by maintaining its quality. So, for maintaining its quality, food preserved by applying different process. Some problems for preserving foods: microorganism, humidity, temperature, bacteria, secret toxin. Dear cadets, in appropriate condition, different types of microorganisms may grow in food. So, microorganisms attack food in its favorable condition. Humidity. In the moisture of nature, it is very difficult to preserve food due to humidity. It is the temperature, it varies in it changes. So, due to the fluctuation of temperature, it is very difficult to preserve food. Bacteria, different types of bacteria in its favorable condition are grown, and for this reason it is very difficult to preserve food. Secret toxin, different types of virus and bacteria which secret toxin and destroy food. So it is very difficult to preserve food if toxin is secreted. So to avoid this type of condition, we can preserve food, but it's very difficult task. So for preserving food, for controlling this type of condition, this type of difficulties, we should use different types of process, suppose preservatives. So different types of preservatives are used, natural preservatives, sodium chloride solution, clove, turmeric, mustard oil, and sugar syrup. This type of solution are used for preserving food to avoid the appropriate condition for growing microorganism, bacteria, and toxin secretion. So it controls its quality if we use this type of preservatives. It is very good for health. Natural preservatives are very well and very good. So permitted chemical food preservatives, that means artificial and chemical preservatives, it should be permitted and edible, not harmful. There are several types of chemical preservatives: antimicrobials, sodium benzoate, benzoic acid, potassium sorbate, citric acid, acetic acid, and calcium propanoate. These are the antimicrobial. It control the condition of foods, and it cannot give easily to grow microbials, microorganism. So it control the condition of food and cannot give to easily grow microorganism. Antioxidants. Different types of antioxidants are used for preserving foods. Free radical adsorbent, BHA, BHT, TB, SQ, and propyl gallate. These are the free radical adsorbent. They also control the condition of food for use. Oxygen absorbent, vitamin C, vitamin A, sulfite, salt. Chelating agents, EDTA. These are the chemical preservatives which preserve foods by controlling its condition. So, two types, one is natural, another is artificial. Artificial, again, different types: antioxidants, free radical absorbent, oxygen absorbent, and chelating agent. So, process to preserve foods. Here, dear cadets, always remember it control the pH of food. In this pH, no microorganism can grow. By secreting, by emitting H plus ion. Also, it absorbs oxygen periodical. By absorbing, it controls the condition of pH and acts as preservatives. Different types of way are applying for preserving foods: drying process, refrigeration process, freezing process, pickling process, and canning process. In our country, drying process is used. Different foods are dried and kept for further using. Refrigeration: in every house in our country, approximately refrigerator is used for preserving foods. Freezing process: different types of foods are freezed for further use. Pickling: in rural area, in every family, different types of pickles are produced for enhancing the quality and taste of foods. Canning process are used for preserving foods. These are the processes which are used for preserving food for further use. In this process, no microorganism can grow. Also use different types of preservatives for controlling its condition, pH. So, these are the techniques which are applying for preserving food. Safety mechanism of food. Beloved cadets, different types of preservatives are used for preserving foods. It has some function for preserving. Here, first one, control pH. Different types of preservatives which control the pH of food 3.14 to 4.74. It is acidic condition. So in this condition, no microorganism can grow in this food. So it is not the favorable pH condition for growing microorganism, bacteria and virus. So it is the condition in which range the food is safe for us. The second case, it produces different ion, that means H plus ion, to dissociate body of virus and bacteria. So H plus ion which disintegrate the structure of microorganism, and by disintegrating it control the food quality. So dear cadets, these are the discussion of this session today. Now your turn. What is food? Beloved cadets, food is any substance which is digestible, which can able to supply energy and not toxic. So what is toxic? This is the contaminating substance which is secreted by the different bacteria and creates problem in the body. What is the region of food? Perfection, humidity, temperature. These are the microorganisms. These are the region for food perfection. Beloved cadets, write down the process of food preservation. Already discussed different process for food preservation. Suppose canning by using preservatives, drying, freezing, refrigerating process. So these are the process for food preservation. Beloved cadets, write down 8. The process of food preservation. Different types of question may be set from our discussion. What is food security? This is the process, it is the system in which everyone get available food, everyone has ability to access food and use food. What is preservative? It is the substance, it may be natural or artificial, which preserve food. Suppose vinegar. Process of food preservation, different process by using preservatives, by drying, refrigerating, canning. These are the process of preserving food. Now, second type question, that means understanding based question, explain the importance of increased food. So, by increasing food, we should use different types of nutrients of soil and plants, and different types of fertilizer may be used for increasing food. Also watering, so we should nurse the land for increasing the food. There are knowledge-based question and understanding-based question. Beloved cadets, type 3, higher order, that means deep learning question, application-based question. Here, natural, chemical. Now, question is analyze the process of steam mechanism. Here, natural, chemical, that means preservatives, steam mechanism. Here, these chemicals control the pH of food. It controls the condition of food. It may be absorb oxygen. It may be absorbed by using free radical, different ions which can able to protect food. So by controlling pH, by emitting proton, it control the pH of food and acts as preservatives. This H plus ion which disintegrate the body of microorganism, peptide structure of microorganism, and by this way it controls the condition of food for preserving. Now, beloved cadets, deep learning question, higher order question, evaluation based question, or synthesis based question. So evaluate the importance of steam process. It is very important for preserved food, for accessing food, for availability of food and use of food. So without food, no one can survive in the universe. So it is very important for give proper amount of food for surviving. For this reason, we need to increase the production of food. We need to control its quality. We need to preserve it. For this reason, different types of natural and artificial chemical are used for this process. Now, in this session, we discussed food security, pillars of food security, 3 pillars of food security: accessibility, use, and availability. Now, the increase of food production, we use different types of nutrients of foods and plants and soil. For this, we different fertilizer use. The problem of food preservation, humidity, temperature, bacteria, microorganisms, these are the problem for preserving food. Preservatives and food safety mechanism, it controls the pH of food by secreting H plus ion which disintegrate the peptide structure of microorganism. And different types of relevant question, that means knowledge based, understanding based, application based, and higher order. This question already we discussed from our discussion. Now, beloved cadets, there is another question for you. It is your task. What is food. It is the substance which can supply energy and digestible. Mechanism of preservatives, it controls the pH of food up to 4.7. Then it secretes H plus ion which disintegrate the microorganism. It must be control pH or oxygen absorbent or fluidical absorbent. So analyze the pillars studied in this stream. There are three pillars: accessibility, usability, and availability. It must be three pillars, and it should ensure these three pillars for our proper nutrition. Evaluate the importance of the stream security. It's very important. Without proper food, proper nutritious food, is impossible for sound health maintain. So for maintaining sound health, we need proper nutritious food. So for this reason, security maintained. By this way, beloved cadets, you answer these four types of question from this STEM. Beloved cadets, if any query, you inform me. I discuss your problem. I solve your problem. So, beloved cadets, you should maintain safety measure for your sound health, for your betterment, for the betterment of the beautiful world. Beloved cadets, this world is ours, so we should maintain, we should manufacture it for our requirement. So, for our sound health, we should produce different types of foods and environment friendly substance. We should plantation for our beautiful world. So for this reason, we need to do in such activities which is better for the world. So in these activities, one is prepare food and preserve food. For this reason, we need to use different types of environment friendly substance and use this type of substance which is not harm for our health. For this reason, we use different types of fertilizer, insecticide, pesticides, herbicides, and different chemicals, but it should be not so harmful for the wealth, water, soil, and us. Now, preservatives is another substance, another arena. It should used for preserve food, but it should be edible and not so harm for our health. So if we maintain these activities, this arena, we are able to prepare a beautiful or expected world. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay fine.